Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, this one is actually random. So as you guys may know, if you have TikTok, there is this whipped coffee going around, and I was like, I had my cousin make it once, but we didn't have all the right ingredients. We kind of just went around it and made like whatever we could. So I was like, let me just make this video and do it the correct way. So that is what I'll be doing in today's video. I was gonna make it and I was like, might as well just make it a video, duh. So if you guys are interested to see how I make this cool whipped coffee, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright you guys, so I have all my ingredients in front of me. I have this bowl right here for my mixing bowl. I have a teaspoon. You can either do a tablespoon or a teaspoon, but I'm only going to do a teaspoon. Hopefully that works out. And then we have some almond milk. I think in the video they have like oat milk, soy milk, whatever type of milk you want, but I'm going to be using vanilla almond milk. And then we have our Nescafé Clásico instant coffee, because you need instant coffee, not regular grounds. You have to have instant. That's the only way it's gonna work. And then we have some pure cane sugar, as well as a cup to put it in. And I already have some ice in it, that's why. I wanted like a smaller cup, but this is the only clear cup I have, and I think it looks prettier when it's in a clear cup, so we're doing it in here. So I do not have one of those mixers. I think the mixer is probably better because it's faster, so it's gonna take me some time, but we're gonna make it work. So let's open up this instant coffee. I hope I get this right, you guys. Fingers crossed. Oh, my nails. By the way, I just put on some press-on nails. I did not get these nails done, so don't think I'm going against this quarantine, okay? And I haven't had nails in a while, so this is kind of hard. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of this instant dark coffee. 1, 2. That's what it looks like inside my little bowl. And then we're gonna do, close this up. Ooh, smells so good. Now I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of sugar. Also, you have to have real sugar, because I tried doing this with like the fake sugar or the healthier sugar. Nope, did not work. Okay, so 2 of those. And then, oh, I got sugar on my table. Oh well. So we got the sugar and the coffee. And now in this mug right here, I have some hot water. Obviously you can do this in the kitchen, but I'm in my room. This is where I film, so I had to bring it in here. So 2 teaspoons of hot water. I have a plastic spoon. This is where you would use your little mixer, but I don't have that, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the spoon and just, yeah, just mix it. Okay, so you know what? This mixture is very like, I don't think it's gonna be enough, so I'm gonna make it so it's tablespoons. So obviously 3 teaspoons equal 1 tablespoon. So I already did 2 of these coffees, but I need to add 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 teaspoons equal 2 tablespoons. Get it together, Mari. So I just added 4 more of the instant coffee, and I have to add 4 more of the sugar. I feel like I'm gonna make too much. And then now I have to add 4 more of the hot water. Sorry guys, making this complicated. I should have had the tablespoon measure, but I do not. So, okay, here we go. Now that I have everything in here, I feel like it's gonna be a lot more. So let me mix it up. Yeah, because there was no way I was gonna have enough. Okay, this is gonna take forever. I heard this is the part that's like the longest, so we're just gonna be here mixing. Definitely prefer to use a freaking mixer if you have one, because this spoon, okay, it's definitely getting thick. I'm just waiting for it to get lighter. My arm hurts. Please don't let this be a fail. I really want to try this coffee. It's the second time I'm giving it a chance. If this doesn't work, I'm over it. I'm gonna show you guys iPhone view of what it's looking like. It's definitely getting lighter. Okay, so this color is nowhere near that light tan shade. I want this to be extra fluffy. This is what I came for. It needs to get there. Okay, it's getting a little lighter. Mix it all together. Oh yeah, it's so much better. Stretch it out a little bit, even though I'm not using my left arm. Stretch it, stretch it. Shake it off, shake it off. Oh my god, it's getting lighter. Okay, look at that. Little ASMR moment. 15 minutes in the video and we're still not done. Still mixing. Let's keep it going. Let me show you guys another angle where I'm at right now. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. We're getting somewhere for sure. Gotta keep mixing because it's not as fluffy as I want it to be yet. Okay, so it's still looking like watery. I feel like the other people, theirs is not as watery. Like theirs is fluffy. I think this is good. Look, like, I don't know. Is that enough? Wait, I just realized I'm drinking coffee at 8 p.m. That probably isn't a good idea, but okay. Just spent 20 minutes mixing, not even lying. 20 freaking minutes. All right, so I think I made it thick enough. I mean, that's the best it's gonna get with these hands because they're getting tired. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my almond milk, vanilla almond milk in particular. And it's a fresh one, so let me open her up. Okay, so I'm going to take my Starbucks cup and fill it up about, I know it's like, I think that's enough or that's too much milk. I'm gonna fill it up to that black line right here. Okay, I brought you guys down to this level so you could see it more. So this is the almond milk. I wish I had a smaller cup, but this will work. And I'm just going to pour the mixture right on top. That's satisfying. Make sure I get everything. I'm really excited because this came out a lot better than the first time I tried it. Like, I did not even have all the right ingredients. Let me make sure I get it all. Oh, almost dropped it. Here we go. Taking my straw. Do I mix it? Do I not mix it? Let me mix it a little bit. See how she tastes. I'll mix her up more. Yeah, I think it's definitely better if I mix it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I should not be drinking coffee right now, but why did I just discover how to make it right? Oh my god. So worth mixing for 20 minutes. So fire. But I don't think it helps how much sugar is in it. Like, so much for the freaking almond milk. This has so much sugar. If there was like a easier, healthier way, please let me know if you have one. But oh my god. You know, why did I have to make this at 8 p.m? Because I can't be drinking all that coffee this late. But I did it, you guys. Okay, you know, like some of those hacks, like they just don't actually turn out well when you do them yourself. Like you see other people do it, they do it perfect, they love it, and then you try it and it's like, but not this case. This one was so freaking good. All right, you guys, so that is all for today's TikTok whip coffee hack. Like I said, it was a success, but definitely go buy that mixer because you're gonna be stuck whipping that coffee with your hand for 20 minutes. Like the timer, I literally have my camera on for like 20 minutes and I was mixing the entire time. So it was definitely worth it though. So freaking good. Should not have drank it at 8 p.m. I'm gonna try my hardest not to finish it, but it's so freaking bomb. I definitely want to do more videos like this because I love doing like hacks or like DIYs and stuff that you can do at home rather than go out and like, even though I had to go buy this stuff, but like this tastes like a full-on Starbucks drink, like caramel macchiato, white mocha, but this whipped coffee, super good. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below any other TikTok hacks or any other hacks, any other food hacks, all that stuff. Comment them down below because I definitely want to try some more. This is like the first time I think I've done anything like this on my channel. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.